What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jaxx. Hope you're doing well. Just got back from the gym, leg day. All right. Gonna go over Matic as well as Ethereum. Currently sitting at 66 cents. We're up 0.64 on the day. See market cap 6.1 big. 24-hour volume 183 million. So I still think pullback is likely. Strong bearish divergence on the 4-hour as well as on the money flow. As you can see, money is flowing out while price is pushing up. So we could pull back from here. If we push a little bit higher, it could just be liquidity grab before we drop. But once we start to come down, we will look for an entry in the pullback zone in between 54 cents and 59 cents. A signal will be given in the Discord. We recently closed a Solana trade for over 100% gain. Crushed it on Gala Games, as well as our Ethereum trade hit our first take profit. So as we can see here on the daily chart for Matic, we're just consolidating. We are a little bit overbought, slight bearish divergence on the daily. Bullish cross, so I would like to see a little bit of pullback, come back down to the EMAs before continuation to the upside. That's what I think is the likely scenario. ETH, same thing. If we look at the 4-hour time frame, we have strong bearish divergence, higher high, lower high, as well as on the money flow. Money is flowing out. If we push a little bit higher, it might just be a liquidity grab before a drop, very similar with Matic. Once we start to pull back, we already in a trade, we hit TP1. But if we do pull back into our target zone, I'll likely give another trade signal in the Discord. Right now, the target zone is in between 15.99 and 17.01 before pushing up in the wave 3. Daily chart looks really good. Bullish cross, consolidating on support. So a little bit of pullback would be healthy. Pull back to those EMAs before continuation to the upside and push up to test the resistance of this massive ascending triangle before potentially breaking out and heading all the way up to 3,102, which would be absolutely succulent. All right, gang, that's what I'm looking at for Matic and Ethereum. All trade signals will be given in the Discord for $10 a month. You really can't beat it. Make sure to sign up to Bitinix. No KYC, no VPN. For my US Canadian traders who are dying foreign exchange, my subscribers only get a 20% bonus when they deposit into their futures account. So if you deposit $1,000, that's $200 completely free to trade with. If you deposit $100, that's $20 completely free to trade with my subscribers only. My signals are $10 a month. Daily crypto analysis, my exact trade setups. As you can see, we crushed it on Solana. Crypto news, members like to post their profits in here. Absolutely killing it on Gala Games, and nice little Solana short here too, 250%. Nice little Solana short rate. Oh no, this was a long. Sol short rate here, almost 200% gain. Mahara all plays, Forex signals, Forex analysis, looking to get into silver and gold, crushing it on US oil. All links down below. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.